Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Miss Rabia from AMBLEM School System and I'm your nursery teacher of English, and today we are going to talk about the letter D, and we have an animal research project about dinosaurs. Letter D. What sound does the letter D make? D, D, D. D for dinosaur. D, D, dinosaur. So, what are dinosaurs? Dinosaurs are a group of reptiles of the clade Dinosauria. The word dinosaur comes from the Greek language and it means terrible lizards. It is believed that dinosaurs ruled the world for over 160 million years. That is a lot. Where are dinosaurs? The dinosaurs have become extinct. They became extinct about 65 million years ago. The scientists say that the dinosaurs could not take the drop in the climate, so they started to become extinct as the world slowly became cooler. Now, all that's left of dinosaurs are fossils in the museums. There are different types of dinosaurs like Triceratops, Stegosaurus, Spinosaurus, Allosaurus, you name it. Let us talk about my favorite, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. The T Rex is also known to be the king of the tyrant lizards. He's so huge. An average T Rex was 40 feet long and 15 feet to 20 feet tall. A T Rex could eat up to 500 pounds using just one bite with his big jaw. The T Rex was a ferocious fighter. If any dinosaur would fight with him, the T Rex would definitely win. We've been watching dinosaurs in movies and cartoons since ages now. T Rex was my favorite. So, which one is your favorite dinosaur? Why don't you tell me in your video about Animal Research Project of Dinosaurs? Until then, Allah Hafiz.